How you breathe has a direct impact on your mental, physical, and emotional health. Today, we are going to practice 5 magical breaths that will help you slow down, calm the mental chatter, and allow you to feel more relaxed and present. Hi, I'm Jessi. Welcome to my channel. Take a moment to remove distractions from your environment and find an easy seated position. This simple and organic way of breathing uses a hum on the exhale to instantly downregulate the nervous system. Once you've found your comfortable seated position, let's just begin with a breath. Big inhale. Big open mouth, audible exhale. Settling in, allowing yourself to arrive right here for this practice. Bring a hand to your belly. We're going to go into those humming breaths. Take a big inhale into a soft belly. As you exhale, you're going to make a humming sound. Just like that, feeling the vibrations in the body. And then we'll do it again. Inhale into a soft belly. Soften the shoulders, relax the jaw. And as you exhale, make a hum sound, like a yum sound. Allow your exhale to last as long as you comfortably can. And then we'll repeat it again. Keep your eyes soft, your jaw relaxed. Exhale and hum. You might open your mouth a little bit. Whatever sound needs to come out. Creating these vibrations through your own voice to help relax the body, to release tension. Do it again. Take a breath. Letting the sound morph into whatever it needs to morph into. You can keep your hand on your belly, or maybe the hands prefer to rest on the knees or in the lap. Do it again. Take a big breath. Letting that hum, letting those internal vibrations soothe and nurture the nervous system, which helps to soothe and nurture the entire body. Do it again. There is such a power in your voice. And allowing yourself to vocalize some sound. It doesn't have to make sense. It can be as simple as a hum. Helps to release stuck or stagnant energy in the body. And these internal vibrations you're making with your voice also helps to improve circulation. Finish up this last breath. Bring your hands together. Rub your palms together, generating a little bit of heat between the palms. Take one more breath. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. If you enjoyed this practice, please help me out by liking the video. And if you'd like more short practices just like this, please subscribe. May the rest of your day be filled with a calm, clear perspective.